Hey guys! Just purchased a new addition to my kitchen appliances and I wanted to share my unboxing to you. So I purchased this Hurom slow juicer because I wanted to make my own fresh juice rather than buying it. So these are the manuals, and what I'm excited about is this recipe book. There are lots of healthy juice recipes in here, and I'll be making some of this and I'll for sure be sharing it to you guys. These are the cleaning brushes included and the pusher, one of the strainer, the pulp and juice container, and this is another strainer used for ice cream making. And this is the chamber where the slow juicing really happens with the third strainer already installed. This is the body, and I chose the rose gold color with the on and reverse switch at the back. Then let's disassemble the chamber. This is the masticator, or the squeezing screw that really is the one that squeezes the fruits against the strainers. The strainer has a spinning brush on it outside. And for the strainers, Hurom juicer has 3 types included: the fine strainer, coarse strainer, and the ice cream strainer. This ice cream strainer is used for making smoothies, slush, and ice cream with frozen fruits. The coarse strainer, however, is used to make juice from soft fruits like banana, strawberry, and kiwi to make thick juices. Then the fine strainer has tiny and fine holes with it, which is good to make clean juices. Finally, we will now try to make juice from this machine by making apple and pear juice. So before juicing, we need to slice the fruits. And also for this apple, it is important to remove the seeds because it is said that a certain amount of compound from its seeds can be poisonous. Then we will slice the pears, and the fruits, guys, should be small enough that the masticator can smoothly juice the fruits. So we will now turn on the machine and let's start juicing. And this is the actual speed of the juicer. They said that slow juicers are better than centrifugal juicers or fast juicers because slow juicers tend to be more efficient in breaking down plant fibers, and slow juicers gives a longer shelf life because it doesn't oxidizes the juice and doesn't discolor it. And that's it! Thanks for watching!